Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make chicken sausage rolls. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 egg which I have beaten, some cooking spray, 5 sheets of puff pastry, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup of sesame seeds, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of mixed dried herbs, 3 cloves of grated garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 kilo of chicken sausages. Line a baking tray with some baking paper and lightly spray it with some cooking spray. Preheat your oven at 200 degrees if it's a fan-forced oven and 220 degrees if it's a conventional oven. The first thing you need to do is to take the sausages out of its casing. Cut on one side of the sausage, peel the skin off and put them in a dish. Add salt, pepper, garlic, mixed dried herbs and breadcrumbs and mix it well to combine. Take 1 puff pastry, cut it in half, place a row of filling in the center lengthwise, just like a sausage. Fold one edge of the pastry over the filling and press it lightly on the top. Brush the other edge with the beaten egg, fold it over to close the filling, press it on the top to seal and cut it in half. Put it on the baking tray with the seam side facing down and repeat this process. Now turn the seam side up, spray some cooking spray on the top and put the seam side facing down on the baking tray again. Brush the top with the beaten egg, sprinkle some sesame seeds on the top and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes or until golden. My tasty homemade chicken sausage rolls are ready and you can serve them hot or cold with some salad, chips and some sauce. Enjoy!
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.